15 legit ways to make money from Facebook in 2022. Facebook is one of the easiest places to make money since it has over 2 million daily users on average. It is not surprising that there are many people and companies trying to make money from Facebook, with such a large potential audience. However, it's difficult to stand out from the crowd. So here are 15 ways to make money from Facebook and see how you can earn money. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring you new videos and show you how you can have the life you want. Facebook is first and foremost a social network, an online place where people can hang out, socialize and share things of common interest. To make money on Facebook, you have to invest your time, effort, energy and maybe some of your money. Anyone who wants to do business on Facebook should always keep this in mind. It will always be easier for people to get likes on Facebook than it is for businesses. The reason influencers are successful on Facebook is that they have already been through the follower building process. You need to build your Facebook audience by sharing a number of great articles, great links, images, and updates. To truly be successful as an individual, you need to create an area of interest in which you can become a recognized expert. So here are 15 legit ways to make money from Facebook in 2022. 1. Facebook page. You might be wondering how you can make money from Facebook pages. Most of the fun pages have accumulated millions of followers in a short period of time. One that has such pages can easily monetize it. You can start by making a sponsored posts with these pages in exchange for money. However, if you are to start from scratch, target what your audience loves and build on it. You can do this by finding a good niche and slowly start building your Facebook page. It's important you know it takes a long time to create a successful page, so only consider this if you are in the long run. 2. Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a digital marketplace where users can buy, sell, and trade items with others in their area. You can sell items on Facebook Marketplace and make a good income. The only issue you will encounter is getting very cheap items from the supplier and delivering the product without complaint. 3. Digital marketing on Facebook. All you need to do is to become a digital marketer on Facebook is to implement Facebook advertising into your Facebook marketing strategy. This is one possible technique for increasing likes or driving website clicks. However, there are many other digital marketing tasks that you can do on Facebook that do not require much experience, such as managing social media posts, moderating Facebook business pages, creating memes, etc. Since managing social media pages is relatively easy, you can even manage 3 to 4 business pages and make money from Facebook. You can attend any good Facebook marketing course and then create Facebook digital marketing services to earn money. 4. Facebook ads. AdSense is Google's website monetization platform through which you can display ads on a site. This is another method to make money with Facebook. AdSense has certain approval criteria, but once you qualify, you can make money from any website by driving paid traffic to the website. What you will need is an AdSense approved website that allows you to earn money when your users click on the ads placed on your website. 5. Facebook affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a technique whereby if a sale occurs due to your digital activity, you get a small commission for promoting the product or service. To get started with affiliate marketing, you need to become an affiliate for a product or service and start promoting it. Facebook groups are a great way to do affiliate marketing, where you can find relevant groups, join them, and start posting affiliate links to earn commissions. 6. Selling products on Facebook. Selling products is the easiest way to make money on Facebook. The concept is simple. Find a unique product that you can get cheap. Use Facebook targeting to present the product in the best possible format to your audience. Now this will require you to invest some money initially, but this is the easiest way to make money from Facebook. The key is to present a product that solves a unique audience problem, interact with them, and make it easier for your target audience to buy the product. If you want to sell products on Facebook and make money, make sure you find a winning product. 7. Selling services on Facebook. You can also sell some services on Facebook and make money. This doesn't include selling only digital services but real services on Facebook. With the right kind of targeted ads, you can sell some of your services and make money. As with any business, it is important that you try to sell services that give you a healthy margin to make it worth your while. 8. Make money from Facebook via reselling. In case you haven't heard of social trading platforms like Meesho, check them out. Meesho is a social commerce platform for resellers that allows almost anyone to join and start reselling products on channels like Facebook to earn money. Besides Meesho, there are other reselling platforms like Glowroad and Shop 101 that you can also try. Your job will be to promote the product to your audience and get sales. 9. Facebook page likes, shares, and comments. Selling likes, comments, and shares used to be big business a few years ago. There are buyers for these types of likes, comments, and shares, and they are mostly startups or eager celebrities getting started. Selling Facebook likes isn't necessarily a process Facebook supports. Still, it exists, so it's something that's worth mentioning. If you search Fiverr in the relevant social media categories, you can find sellers who sell things like likes, shares, or comments. What they do is gather other Facebook users to like your page or share your post to help you grow your audience. Prices vary, but some have packages starting at $5 per likes, comments, and shares. 10. Facebook apps. Apps are great ways to make money. The Facebook application can be a powerful source of income if you know how to create a useful application. Facebook apps are programmable and you can even configure the database or extract user information according to your needs. Obviously, to create and make money from Facebook applications, you need to be technically sound and have some knowledge of Facebook applications, which is not very common. 11. Facebook video views. Another way to earn with Facebook is through Facebook video views. Just a few years ago, Facebook introduced video ads for publishers. Facebook video creators who create original videos can now monetize videos by inserting ads on certain videos. Facebook allows creators to monetize ads in 3 ways: pre-roll, mid-roll, and image ads. There are some standard eligibility criteria and best practices that you need to follow to start monetizing your videos. 12. Earn money from Facebook groups. Facebook groups can be an easy way to make money if you sell information products. To start earning from Facebook groups, you can create a group by encouraging members to help each other and share ideas. Again, you need to make sure that you provide helpful content to group members, and from time to time you may suggest your product as a solution to their problems. While there is little value in running a Facebook group for the sole purpose of making sales, they can be a useful way to let people know what you are offering. 13. Becoming a Facebook influencer. Many people think that becoming a Facebook influencer is easy. It's not. Unlike before, when the Facebook algorithm was set up in such a way that organic posts had a broader reach, becoming an influencer was easy. Now that organic reach is dwindling, it takes a lot of work and you have to be consistent in engaging your followers to become an influencer. This doesn't mean that it isn't achievable, but it will take time. 14. Selling courses on Facebook. Online courses are now as huge at the moment. Everyone now sells online courses including Facebook. If you have the skills, you can create an online course and sell it on Facebook. You can use Facebook to target your potential audience, and if your course is good enough, you can benefit from it. You can create a course on just about anything. However, it's advisable to watch other people selling courses to validate the idea before creating your own course. 15. Facebook Sponsored Stories. Sponsored stories are a type of Facebook ad that shows a user's interactions, such as a Facebook like, to the user's friends. This is another easy way to make money from Facebook. Sponsored Stories seeks to capitalize on the concept of word-of-mouth marketing. The purpose of Sponsored Stories is to allow a user to do the same as their friends. Advertisers can choose to like their friends if they want more like pages, to show friends who have claimed this offer if a business wants more users to claim offers, etc. If a user sees that 3 of their friends like a certain page, they are more likely to pay attention. Sponsored Facebook stories can be easily created through the Facebook ad creation feed. Open Graph sponsored stories with a custom call to action require advertisers to use a third-party provider. As you can see from these 15 ideas, making money on Facebook can be achievable if you are willing to put in the time and effort. Don't try and do them all, but choose 2 or 3 ideas and become great at these. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Have a great business week.